The Avogadros Law Interactive Calculator solves for volume and mole relationships in gases at constant temperature and pressure. Let's explore the inputs. First, we have a calculation mode drop-down menu with 6 options. Calculate final volume V2, calculate final moles N2, calculate initial volume V1, calculate initial moles N1, calculate volume ratio V2-V1, and calculate mole change Donen. For this demonstration, I'll select Calculate Final Volume. Next, we have 4 input fields: initial volume V1 in liters, initial moles N1, final volume V2 in liters, and final moles N2. For our worked example, I'll enter 10 for initial volume V1, 10 for initial moles N1, 10 for final volume V2, and 10 for final moles N2. After clicking Calculate, the results show final volume V2 equals 10,000 liters, which matches our input since all values were identical. The volume ratio is 1.000, confirming the volumes are equal. The mole change Dn is 0.000 mole, indicating no change in moles. The calculator correctly identifies no change in moles or volume for this special case where all parameters remain constant. This tool streamlines Avogadro's law calculations for engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.